So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we'll learn about organization, and in this video we'll consider cell organization. So we know that multicellular organisms are made up of multiple cells, and then we wonder how these cells can end up making humans. Actually, that is simply made possible by organization. Similar cells are organized to form tissues. So a tissue can be said to be a group of cells that work together to perform a particular function. In humans, some examples of tissues can include the epithelial tissues, which lines the guts and other structures, the muscular tissues, which aids in movement, and so on. Tissues are further organized into organs. So organs are a group of tissues which work together to perform a particular function. Examples of these organs include the heart, the kidney, the stomach, and so on. So we can see that the stomach is made up of tissues like the glandular tissues for secretion, the epithelial tissue which lines the surface, and the muscular tissues for contraction. Organs are also further organized into organ systems. So an organ system is a group of organs working together to perform a particular function. So examples of organ systems include the cardiovascular system, which is made up of both the heart and the blood vessels, digestive system, which is made up of the stomach, the intestines, and so on. We also have the urinary system, which is made up of the kidney, the ureter, the urethra, the bladder, and so on. And then finally, organ systems all together make up the entire body. So your organ systems are working together to function for the entire body. So guys, let us consider this biology exam revision question. Feel free to pause this video and try it out on your own. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.